Hey everybody, in this video we're gonna go through how to create a sales funnel that absolutely prints cash so you can build and you can grow your business as far as you possibly want. Now, just a little warning, I'm not gonna go through and get into my ClickFunnels account and show you how to move things around and all that kind of stuff. In this video, I'm gonna talk to you and show you how to build the actual funnel strategy and how you can map different offers throughout your funnel to ultimately print the cash that you want, okay? How does that sound, all right? So if you don't know me yet, my name is Patrick Spielman. I'm the founder of Uptix, which is a B2B SaaS, sales automation CRM. You can check that out. This video isn't about Uptix. In my past, I've built a 6-time growth award-winning franchise and a 7-figure outbound agency. I've done a lot of marketing, outbound sales, inbound marketing, funnels, ads. I've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars of my own money. I'm generating millions of dollars in revenue doing this. So what I'm teaching you is like the latest and greatest of what I've implemented that's really helped and started accelerating our cash collection with our funnels, all right? So, hope you don't mind. I've got some notes that I took here because I want to stay on topic. I have a tendency to kind of go all over the place. The biggest thing you need to do when building your funnel is map it all out. And not just like, this page, that page, but you actually need to map out your offer strategy. Okay, a lot of times what I see, and I've made this mistake too, when you have a higher ticket product or service, it's more forgiving for your funnels to just have one offer. But if you have a lower ticket offer, it's hard to make it profitable. It's super hard. And you're probably, even if you have a lower ticket offer, you should actually likely have a higher ticket offer to make it even more profitable. So the first thing you want to do is map out your offers. Everything from your lead magnet all the way down to your actual offer. And if you only have one offer, what I'm gonna suggest is that you actually create multiple offers so that you have a holistic sales funnel strategy, not just from point A to point B and you sell this one thing. Think about your sales funnel as a holistic strategy to sell multiple things, not just one thing. So you always wanna start out usually with some goodwill, something free, like a lead magnet. Your lead magnets, and a mistake that I often see people use with their lead magnets, is focusing on desires that your prospects want instead of problems that they're facing, okay? So with a lead magnet, this is like your one free thing that you're gonna give them in exchange for your email, their name, and I would suggest adding their phone number as well, so you can either pick up the phone or you can send them text messages, okay? The economics don't normally change a whole lot in terms of your acquisition if you ask for a phone number, but now you've got a second channel you can reach out to people on. Okay, so first your lead magnet. Focus on a problem-focused thing that you can, say you're you created a VSL, right? That VSL is gonna be all around the problem. I've made the mistake in the past with my webinars giving away too much information in my webinar and my VSL, okay? And ultimately what that leads to is people not needing your solution to solve the problem. Some people will still use you as a solution to solve the problem they're facing, but it's better to create awareness around the problems and then effectively get them to take action on those problems instead of giving them the problems and fixing the thing. Okay, so this free lead magnet can lead to ultimately selling your first offer to them. And what I suggest with this is selling a lower ticket offer. I made a big mistake in the past of not selling somebody something, right? So you never really know who your true buyers are. And so you could sell them, just give them something quick and easy for free, but on that same page in your funnel, you could sell them a simple ebook, you could sell them a challenge, you could sell them templates, you could sell them a whole bunch of things. The first thing that I sold that was a lower ticket, it was literally $7. I would charge a little bit more than that. I sold a little mini course on how to do video prospecting. Sold for $7. It was a simple, easy course, but I actually got people to buy it. And I actually got people to pay us to book a sales meeting. We only charge $1, but inside of that, we got people to pay an extra $1 to book a sales call, okay? Why in the heck would we do that? Because people who are just even willing to pay $1 for something, it was an upsell, by the way, for that $7 offer for that one example, it reduces a whole lot of friction. It increases your show rates with it, and your opportunity to actually sell them something that's higher ticket, which I'm going to get to in a second, increases substantially. So now you know people who are problem aware, who are solution aware, because they're probably not going to book on a call with you, and who are a lot more likely to close into an offer. All right. So your first offer is a lead magnet, right? It's free. Your second offer is, some sort of, add-on to that lead magnet. Okay. Quick little, order offer. Doesn't need to be expensive. I'm currently doing a challenge, Cold to Gold challenge. You can find a link to that in the description if you want to check it out. But it's $97, and there's an add-on to become a VIP for an extra $200. So it's $297. Okay, so you could do something like that. It can be 100, anywhere from 0 to 100, not zero, like 10 to $100 to a few $100. You could have some upsells along the way, so on and so forth. But ultimately what that's going to lead to, your first offer, right, led to your second offer. Your second offer leads to your third offer. And your third offer is going to be a premium value offer, which is higher ticket. Okay, so this could be a course, it could be coaching, it could be consulting, it could be a service. All right, so any one of those three, you want it to be a higher ticket offer. This is what helps you actually print cash. Okay, so you're not gonna make any money on the lead magnet. You're gonna really not make any money on your second offer, which is like a core product offer, a little bump offer, so to speak. And you're basically gonna liquidate, if you're using ads, for instance, you're gonna liquidate your ad spend to some degree, right? So it's gonna help you pay for ad spend, it's gonna help you pay for, if you're paying somebody to help you with outreach, that kind of stuff. Create videos on YouTube, whatever it is, whatever your traffic mechanism is to go through this funnel, it's gonna help you liquidate those costs. But more importantly, it's gonna help you identify who are actual buyers, okay? And that's where then your third offer, which is your higher ticket premium value offer, as Myron Golden calls it, where it can really, really help you print cash. So this offer is a premium value offer that's higher ticket. And what this does is helps you not just self-liquidate any sort of acquisition costs, but they'll actually put you over the line of profitability substantially with a premium value offer, which is high ticket. Okay, so now we've got our lead magnet free, we've got our small little core offer that helps us liquidate a little bit of our spend, and now we have a premium value offer who we're selling to people who bought the lower priced front end offer that is lower ticket, and basically just filtered out your list of potential buyers. Okay, super, super easy. Now, if you want to print even more cash on top of it, you can build a great business and be very, very profitable on that method and that structure. Okay, if you want to print even more cash, what you need to have then is a recurring offer that's lower ticket. So for me, I have a software product, of course. So that's that mechanism to just, it's mailbox money, right? So you're getting money every single month. And although the premium value offer, you can get money every single month, you should have another offer where you get even more money every single month, which is lower ticket, easier for somebody to say yes to, okay? I don't know what business you're in, but if you just think about it for a little bit, you can likely come up with some things that are, just a recurring revenue, offer that just clicks every single month without you having to really do anything. Okay, we have of course some expense and stuff on the software because that's it's a larger opportunity and stuff like that. But for your business, I mean, you might want to get somebody on a premium newsletter, or maybe you just want to get them on just some minimal maintenance type package, right? So in offer 3, let's just say you're selling a coaching or consulting offer or a course or something like that, you know, give them access to recordings, or, you know, allow them to, you know, be part of an ongoing, you know, coaching, joining group calls for $500 a month or something like that. But instead of shutting off the spigot of sales, you know, at the end of that premium value offer, sell them something that continues to earn you cash week in and week out, month in and month out. All right. All of this, of course, is really kind of, you know, built around offers in terms of your sales funnel. There's a whole lot of other things, of course, throughout the process that you've got to do right, to everything from driving traffic to, you know, good copy to, you know, if you're building videos or sales letters or anything like that. There's a lot of stuff in there. But overall, I hope this helped you understand kind of building a sales funnel holistically and maximizing the opportunity in terms of revenue and cash flow that you can extract from that sales funnel, instead of getting caught in the trap of just doing one small sales funnel. It's a holistic approach to sell multiple things, and now you've got, you know, a mechanism to really focus on a holistic offer that is going to hedge your bets on acquisition costs and ultimately increase your upside substantially to fund and grow your business to the next level. All right. So I hope you found this video helpful. Start with mapping all of this kind of stuff out. Think about new offers that you can do. All right. If you got some value from this video, I'd love if you would like the video, comment below if you have any questions, and love for you to subscribe to the channel. And of course, check out Uptycs anytime you might need some sales and outreach or a sales CRM to help you accelerate your growth. Until next time, my name is Patrick Spielman, founder of Uptycs. We'll see you guys soon.